Usembut Menteri Rangba kejela ubak senga bahalang dhar, ula ong bakasor kar jela, kelapan krep ban pa da kekinhun pahara ke baklan, nadu ke katsau terik jemang syakasnong lapangap, kenang ban pentikna bagi pait nong rep kanigatan, kinlak ban net syaki jaka rep jaka riang jongki, klem kanu kanu kajing syak pendik. Kani kajing kular jong usembut Menteri Rangba, kelawan long hadin, bada kispa ngut kinong syong kalapangam, bala kershan daki katu kani kiseng balang, haka katlai terik jemang, kilawan tur sya sekretariat, bandawai kila jingada hadin kajing keno syak pendik haki karbi. Kinong lapangap balaya lam dak dor barsnong, bat katu kani kiseng balang, kilaya kendu yang banyak keren halor kani kaman. Kadon ke kebala jia na duk kini kindat singi baladam. Keladai kapor ki nongrab bakin let bantung bantam hai ki lingka ki jongki, Henry kiladon ki jingsyak pendik na kaliang ki karbi ong uba singa balang, habakren syakilat thai kubor hadin ke jingalang. Ka jingya kendu kalong ke basaiso bat ngalakulareki bana kaliang ke sorkar ngin persyang kat bala ban ai jinga dai ki beriu jongi bat ban penne ya ka syongsuk syongsngan kumba julong ulaong haba benrap baka jinga kren kamdai halur ki kamput kamsam Henry halur ke kamai kaji bat ka trega kata jungki nong lapangam ke kamput kadai ke kam ban shim haga kerdan jong ke jela menta kasngi kilawan ban kerpat ya ka jing tuklar lem hadin bakat tu kat ni ki karbi kila penthot ya ki bat ngila kulareki bangin penbiang ya ka bor pahara ke baklan nadu la syai kasngi kenang ban pentikna baka rep karyang kan yait ben klem kanu kanu ka jing syak penthot ulaong halor ka jinga keren kamput bat ka asam uba senga bahalang ulaong ngilaya keren ya kani kaman ki deputy commissioner na baro arliang kin sapenlong ya ka jinga keren kiladap ru banyak keren ha kini kisingi baladap Henry kidang don kam syusyu i ki jinga keren namar ka asam kala thau ya ka sorkar thamai kumta umintri Rangba jongi ulaong ya nga baun saya keren ya kani ka kam bat umintri Rangba ka asam namar kani ka jaka kadon hakaput kumta ngidang am ya ka sorkar asam bakan thong ya chairman batmai jongka regional committee na kaliang jongki ngin sarai bat ya kendo iki parlok jongi ha kapor ke babiang ulaong kibor pahara kiladon lupa Henry ngin pa syusyu ya kekinhun pahara ka baklan kenang ban pentikna na kabenta ka jingsngan jogi nong snong kibasyong basa hakitan kapun ngin pa ikibor pulit kat kum ka jingdon kam ula benram
Get ready. Wait.
Hari Lejong Hari Lejong, Indrak Salman, Indrak Salman, Indrak Salman, Indrak Salman, Preston Tucson, Preston Tucson.
Hey! Get ready, get ready, get ready. आराम से स्की 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 फाइव स्की स्की जय Ada one room. Abiang.
Like this, the people of Lapangap village and some of the NGOs met me about this Lapangap issues. So there is some things happening for the last few days. So about now it's a time to go for the farmer has it's a time to go to cultivate their land. So there is some disturb from the Karbi side. So about the issue they met me. So we had a very fruitful and good meeting with them. So but I showed them from the government we try to do at our level best to protect our people. Peace should be maintained as usual. See, today is not about our issue. They are coming and discussing about this, their livelihood, which are a part of the village Lapangap, which has been normal for the last so many have been cultivated paddy field in the Karbi side. That this is not about our issues, it's their state level subject. So today they came and request us, so it seems some of the Karbi people disturb them. So we are assured them we'll provide them full force from tomorrow onwards. So make sure the cultivate should be nicely, nobody should disturb. Obviously, you see, because as of now we had discussed this, so both the DC will discuss first, and even they had discussed this last few days also. So there is some more to be discussed. So, and even since the government of Assam has formed the new government yesterday itself, so obviously our chief minister has told me that he will discuss this issue even with the honorable chief minister of Assam also. Building up all together because it's along the border. So we are waiting as soon as the government of Assam appoint the new chairman of the regional committee from that side. So we will take a call, we will meet the other counterpart in the appropriate time. Assure them we have promised them we will provide sufficient force so that their activity should not be disturbed. Already there, but some more they need, and we will provide more immediately. Provide as per needed.
Habakren Shakilat Patai Kubor, Assistant Rangba Shnong Kalapangam, Uba Samki Situng, Ula Ong Bakajing Dawa Kabahakmat Jongki, Kalong Ban Ay Kajingada Kabapura, Nakabenta Kinong Rap Jongkosh Nong Lapangam. Ngila Shong Jingalang Bad Usimbut Mentri Rangba Uba Snga Balangdhar, Bad Ula Ay Kajingkula Ringi, Bada Dula Shai Kasngi, Kinong Rap Jongkosh Nong Lapangam, Kila Berbeteng Yakarap Karyang Jongki, Ong Uba Situng. Ula maham ru balada ka jingkular jong ko sorkar kam trekam kinsa shimda ki wepat ki senjam ki babut khnang ban penthikna ba kinong rap kinyo ekila jingada bat bakin la ban beteng ya ka rap karyang ka jongki haba batai halor ki jing ki ba kinong shong shnong ki yakndo uba situng ula ong ngimat ka jing shap pendik ka baman kapor ngi rap hala ka jong ka jaka rap ngi lori ki jaka ram henry ki briu na kalyang ki karbi Kilawan hakapor menmit bat penjulori ki jakar rap jongi. Kata kade kajing syak penthut ke jongi. Ngimpat ngohun 6% Henry kendai persen ya kanika rai jong ke sorkar. Ngi kermen baka sorkar kan shim kia ya kaman kabaya day bat kalapangam ban kan ai kila jingada kababiang nang bengin la ban ram da kabalai luit. Ngi kwa ya kajing penbiang bor pahara kabapura kan thop ya kakenhun SF10 ulaong. Inspector General but Superintendent of Police ka West Giant Hills ru kila ay ka jingkula ringi banado la shy on pa ya kabor pahara ka baklan but ay ka jingada but ka jingsngan kinong rap kalapangam banrap uba situng.
Dear all, this is DC West Giant Hills along with the SC West Giant Hills. Today, many farmers from Lapangap came towards Shillong to air their grievances to the government. After intense discussions which have happened, with the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in the presence of Chief Secretary Sir, Principal Secretary, IG Madam, IG Sir, as well as the SP Sir, and me myself and the representative from various student organizations as well as the headman of Lapanga. Amongst the discussions, what the key points have come out based on the demands or the grievances of the people, that starting from tomorrow onwards, the deployment of the SF-10 would be deployed in addition to the existing forces which are there, though which are already equal in number. Second, we will be discussing at the highest level of the government through Deputy CM Sir and the CM Sir. The matter will be taken by today itself. At the district level, me as well as SP Sir will be going tomorrow on the field to ensure that the cultivation starts well in the progress and to ensure that the peace and everything is there. Also, in the upcoming days, the peace committee would be handling again. And with regard to the negotiations that have not happened so far, because the Assam government has been formed recently, and the chairman of the regional committee at the Assam site is yet to be decided. So by tomorrow onwards, once the negotiation gets happen, I believe and I firmly believe that the peace would be restored, and from our side, the cultivation would be happening and the grievances of the people would be aired out. Thank you.
See, from Meghalaya police side, our job is to ensure that the safety and security of our farmers is maintained at any cost. So we are working towards that. We will ensure you that let us go back to our village and start our farming from tomorrow. So, yes, sir. So I would request all of you who are here that let us go back. You have already spent a lot of time here, and government has listened to all your demands. Necessary instructions have been issued to us. So I would request all of you to let us go back and start our work in field from tomorrow morning. Thank you.
Siapa Pak negara yang imam di PCHP kami nak cakap dah gini perlaksanaan balang kiwasnya orang kicikor giongki ya kejeng kular yang besarkar belerjau ke jengkular yang besarkar rumah do seiso ki perlaksanaan balang wa igan biwi kicikor dah yumi biangi biang so gini Pak kejeng kerpat di kinong cang wa dadap igan kejeng iki giongki ye wa i dadapan damut damangi yogu iman go seiso kerpa di nong chung uman pi kemensin go jai kamu mi ina gichnong yo belayam lang dekat curbai yo lutiwa mandami ini le ada kejeng duai bo wiliwan cichnong yo man ke go seiso kerpa di pi nong chung woro wasnya baham ye chong chip dai desnya begitu kejeng pence